So today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous 3-ingredient vanilla ice cream. It's really rich, creamy, and what's more, you don't require any fancy equipment to make it. I call this my dummy-proof ice cream because honestly anyone can make it and it tastes so good. So handy to have if you don't want to pop out to the store and buy any expensive ice cream because, oh my god, it tastes divine.
So to quickly run through our ingredients, you'll need some double cream, condensed milk and vanilla extract. To get started, get your weighing scales and weigh out your condensed milk. Once it's in the bowl, add in your vanilla extract. The extract will give your ice cream that lovely flavour. Give everything a good mix to make sure it's well incorporated together.
So don't come at me. I want to add a little bit of salt to give it a bit of flavour. If you don't have any salt, it's not a big deal. I just want to sprinkle in a little bit to bring out that flavour. This is just an optional extra. Don't come for me in the comments.
Grab a large mixing bowl and add in your double cream. Use an electric beater to whip up your double cream to stiff peaks. If you don't have an electric beater, you can just use a whisk, but it will take slightly longer. You don't want to overmix the cream, otherwise it will curdle. It should look like this. When you dip your beater into the mixture, you should form a stiff peak. Add in about a third of your double cream to your condensed milk and give it a good mix. To prevent the whole thing from curdling, it's best to do it this way and then add in the lighter condensed mixture to your double cream. You can then mix everything together, just make sure it's well combined as you don't want your mixture separating. I have to say this smelled amazing. I tasted a little bit of it and it tasted like melted ice cream, so yeah, this is a good one.
So what you want to do is get like a tin, anything that's freezable, and just get your mixture in there.
As a tip, once you've poured your mixture into your container, cover it with a little bit of cling film. This will prevent the smells of the food in your freezer getting into your ice cream mixture. Leave your ice cream in the freezer for overnight, minimum 5 hours, and you can take it out once it's nice and frozen. I have a caramel sauce recipe which goes so well with this ice cream. If you're tempted, have a look and I'll see you next week.